So when you're doing all this stuff just out of your mind, you know, doing it in your mind, and you don't have any plans, you have to go back and retrofit a few things. Like right here is where I want my taillight to be, and if I'd had a plan or was thinking about it, I would have just, instead of putting all these little boxes in there, just, they're not really wasted, but a waste of time. I would have just put in full size blocks all the way across. So I haven't seen my tail lights yet. They're still coming from Amazon, and I don't know what they're gonna exactly. Yeah, I ain't seen them yet. That's all I can say. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm just gonna prepare for if the picture isn't representative of the product, and I have to maybe hollow this out. Then I'll have some wood right here, and I can just take a hole saw and get it go halfway through and pry it out. But this is how I'm gonna put some reinforcement behind the Luan wood that's going to go there. And again, let's put our nails as far out here as we can so that they don't impede the saw or drill or whatever you're using to fill her up or smooth it out. Just gonna be extra meaty, extra strong. Whoops. There went my pencil. Awesome. My head's too big. Let's put a staple in here. Right there. Looking down to here. Hope that didn't fall. Probably did. Probably did. We'll put one more staple in that. I keep forgetting I don't have the mic on. I don't have the mic on, so I'm not talking as loud. I'm used to working out here in the evening times and trying to be quiet so I don't disturb my neighbors. They use a nail punch on those babies because the pressure was turned down low. That's all right. Now make sure you got your holes lined up that's for lighting and other things. Like I always say, if you make a mistake, just go a different direction. Wow. And the hammer's all the way over here. Just a minute, I'll be right back. I can turn the air up too a little bit while I'm back here. Gotta remember to turn it back down for the Okay. And just continue it all the way up until you get it filled up. All right. See you on the next segment.